Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cooking Side, and today I'm going to give you some information about 5 mother's sauces. Let's start. In the culinary arts, the term mother sauce refers to any one of 5 basic sauces, which are the starting points. They're called mother sauces because each one is like the head of its own unique family. For making various secondary sauces or small sauces, let's start with sauces. Bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce is probably the simplest of the mother sauces because it doesn't require making stock. If you have milk, flour, and butter, you can make a very basic bechamel. Bechamel is made by thickening hot milk with a simple white roux. The sauce is then flavored with onion, cloves, and nutmeg, and simmered until it is creamy and velvety smooth. Bechamel can be used as an ingredient in baked pasta recipes like lasagna and also in casseroles. But it's also the base for some of the most common white sauces, cream sauces, and cheese-based sauces. Here are some of the small sauces made from bechamel. Mornay sauce, soubise sauce, Nantua sauce, cheddar cheese sauce, carbonara 2. Velute sauce is another relatively simple mother sauce, made by thickening white stock with a roux and then simmering it for a while. While the chicken velute, made with chicken stock, is the most common type, there is also a veal velute and fish velute. Each of the velutes forms the basis of its own respective secondary mother sauce. For instance, chicken velute fortified with cream becomes the supreme sauce. Veal velute thickened with egg yolks and cream becomes the Allemande sauce, and the fish velute plus white wine and heavy cream becomes the white wine sauce. Small sauces from velute can be derived from the velute directly, or from each of the 3 secondary sauces. Example, Normandy sauce, Hungarian sauce, mushroom sauce, Bercy sauce. Number 3 is Espanol, a basic brown sauce. The Espanol sauce, also sometimes called brown sauce, is a slightly more complex mother sauce. Espanol is made by thickening brown stock with a roux, so in that sense it's similar to a velute. The difference is that Espanol is made with tomato puree and mirepoix for deeper color and flavor, and the brown stock itself is made from bones that have first been roasted to add color and flavor. Espanol is traditionally further refined to produce a rich, deeply flavorful sauce called a demi-glace, which is itself the starting point for making the various small sauces. For a shortcut, you could skip the demi-glace step and make the small sauces directly from the Espanol. You'll lose some flavor and body, but you'll save time. Here are some examples of small sauces made from Espanol. Robert sauce, Lyonnaise sauce, chasseur sauce, mushroom sauce, charcutière sauce. Red wine reduction number 4 is Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is unlike the mother sauces we've mentioned so far due to a liquid and a thickening agent, plus flavorings. Hollandaise is a tangy, buttery sauce made by slowly whisking clarified butter into warm egg yolks. So the liquid here is the clarified butter, and the thickening agent is the egg yolks. Hollandaise is an emulsified sauce, and we use clarified butter when making a Hollandaise because whole butter, which contains water and milk solids, can break the emulsion. Clarified butter is just pure butterfat, so it helps the emulsion remain stable. There are some number of small sauces that can be made from Hollandaise. Béarnaise sauce Dijon, sauce Coron, sauce Maltaise sauce. Number 5 is tomato sauce. This sauce resembles the traditional tomato sauce that we might use on pasta and pizza, but it's got much more flavor and requires a few more steps to make. First, we render salt pork and then saute aromatic vegetables. Then we add tomatoes, stock, and a ham bone and simmer it in the oven for a couple of hours. Cooking the sauce in the oven helps heat it evenly and without scorching. Traditionally, the tomate sauce was thickened with roux, and some chefs still prepare it this way, but the tomatoes themselves are enough to thicken the sauce. Here are a few small sauces made from the classic tomate sauces: Spanish sauce Creole, sauce Portuguese sauce Provençal sauce, Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.